So I hope this quality's okay. I forgot my camera. I know how stupid of me. Look here. 3, 2, 1.
No need for drama here, okay?
3, 2, 1. Wait. Oh my gosh, I was like, I didn't really have time to put on my makeup, but like, girl, look at me. You see what I see? Okay, look, don't judge it yet, because I have to still straighten it, but look how short my hair is. Guys, look.
You better like this video. You better like this video.
Oh my gosh, this camera is so close, Molly.
No, you gotta do it the other way.
Well, no, I'll just hold it like this for a second. So guys, I forgot my camera at home, so I'm just using Molly's S21. Samsung gang. So today is the day. Hold on, just give me 1 second. Okay guys, so I've just flipped the camera. Everybody's getting ready. It's pretty chaotic at the moment. Aussie's already ready. Aussie's one of the witnesses. So I know Aussie gets to go and I don't even get to go. Like, what is this?
Yeah, it's in the white bag. And this whole time yesterday, I've been asking around for my hair straightener.
Don't mind my top.
Yeah, I was like, I'll make sure you give it to us.
Oh my god! No, let me see. Oh my gosh, she actually.
I did my hair, but I don't know if at the back.
Sorry, I thought you said straighten it. No. Hey, Viola, let me for your face.
I have not seen this kind of Chris in like yonkers. Yonkers.
I'm here looking for Profit's bag.
Guys, so this is my cousin. This is her business. Up and coming. It's, what is it? Thunder?
Thunder Beauty.
Thunder Beauty. These are the workers. She's a threader. She's the hair artist, makeup artist.
Inspired by Thunder. How dad? Literally. Also, did your husband come here?
Oh my gosh, everyone looks so good.
Wait, let me go. Wow.
Mom, show.
Take a photo of mum and dad. Yeah, just have a nice background.
Aussie looks nice.
You stand there so the light reflects to them.
No, I'm not taking her. Okay then. Hold on guys, I have to switch this camera real quick. Okay, ready? Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Smile. Nice. Hi. What the heck? Sorry, it's 2:40.
Thought that was money.
Time is ticking.
So you got this one or you got this one? Which one do you want?
Moles.
The poncho, Chris.
Pasta wants her dress.
Everyone looks so nice. Then more to the corner. Yeah, there. So I hope this quality's okay. I forgot my camera. I know how stupid of me. But I am so excited for them. Everyone's done such a great job. Oh, we were going to bring it, but he said it was too much.
Yeah.
So everybody's looking really nice. My cousins have done a fantastic job with everybody's makeup. Oh, it's still nice.
We could go.
Do you want to take a photo there? Yeah, you look so nice.
Oh. Jeez.
I have not seen you wear makeup in so long.
Well, if you don't want to wear that one, you can wear this jacket.
You're nice.
You look nice.
I was like, Mom's in the white dress.
Wait, take off the jacket though.
Eddie, move! Mommy taking photo. Smile, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. So look at the camera. Smile, 3, 2, 1.
Open that light full. Open that full to let the light in.
Well, that's it.
That's better. Is it? Do you want to try it on?
Oh, God bless.
It's pretty busy over here, guys.
Because you're using all the Wi-Fi.
Where's my phone?
Oh, wow. Excited. Yeah, he's Filippo's witness.
Aww,
Wait, pull that one up on the other side as well. It's not even. Well done, girls.
Thanks, Dad. Am I falling on makeup?
Don't worry, your job is to make other people look pretty, not you. Is that your dress here?
Yeah.
I think it's too big.
So much.
It is. It's Molly. It's Molly.
I don't want you to wear it.
What?
It's too big.
Well, no, I like it.
It's meant to be fitting.
No, I don't want it to be too tight around my tummy and I've gained. Because the blue one is really tight.
Press it. Okay.
Hi, Lissy. Congrats, congrats.
Family trips after this.
Here's the fam. We got Uncle Filippo. Congratulations, man. We got Uelese. And then we got
Yeah, the best one's all the way over
No, we're not going there. We gotta go pretty pissed. I didn't want to come all the way here.
then we got Aussie, Dad. And then we got Kancia, Vicky. Congratulations, guys.
Look here. 3, 2, 1.
No need for drama here, okay?
3, 2, 1. Wait, let me zoom in a bit. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, get him out. Hey.
Yeah, okay.
It's for the video, right? So, God bless you, Chrissy, and people. You guys have been a big part of my life, especially you, Chris. Always yell at me when I'm little. Yeah, I used to be a little cheeky bum when I was a little boy, and yeah, I just like to thank Lissy and people for just being there for me. You know what I mean? Like they're like the people I could talk to, and yeah, I'm just blessed for now they're married. God has blessed them, and yeah, hope they have a good life together. Chrissy promised me that her next baby is going to be named Daniel, so stay tuned for that one.
Hey, Vicky.
Okay, now just take photos, yeah?
Oh, now you want to take me photos, bro?
No, because I gotta go. Guys, so sorry. I actually forgot you guys at home. As you guys already know. And then I had to rush home. My shoes are literally bala right now. They picked the stupidest place to do it, in my opinion. Oh my gosh, I almost said. If I said it right now, okay, so let's just try. So this dress I'm wearing, it's brand new from Shein. I got my Shein package and I was like, I just need something. Like, threw it on and it looks alright. It looks alright, guys. Oh my gosh, I didn't really have too much time to do my makeup. Everybody was calling me non-stop. Like, just want to dedicate this vlog to my sister and her husband. There's my man. Hey, you'll see.
Hey. Shoe walk here, man.
Me
I
too.
need to go home and get my shoes.
Okay.
Go.
Well, it's alright because we're like right next to the thing anyway, so. Oh my gosh, I was like, I didn't really have time to put on my makeup, but like, girl, look at me. No, it was my eyelashes. Oh, they're pissing me off. But it is what it is. Guys, we're here now at the club. Come say something.
Hi guys. We're at my auntie's dinner, and we're just vlogging because we're at her dinner.
You look so cute.
What are you
Very
gonna say?
handsome. So what do you think at the moment? Everyone's just on island time, right? Oh.
Too long.
As soon as I go home, I didn't waste no time. I was like, straighten my hair.
Your straightener's so good.
Yeah, I was like, yes. Yeah, that's the one Pasta got me for my birthday.
Oh, what was it?
Yeah.
How long ago? In March.
My 21st, yeah.
Guys, I just keep forgetting to pick up the camera. I'm gonna vlog a little. Hi, kids. Hi. Hi, SV Squad. Say hi, SV Squad, Eddie. Hi, SV Squad. Yeah. Would you say anything to Chris and Lippo? Congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Robina. Love you. That's all.
Wishing you a happy married life, a happy long married life, and I Pray that you guys have an increase in everything, in children, in finances, in everything, in love. I love you, Chrissy. I love you, Filippo.
Just up to dinner now, and I'm even I got chips in the burger and tomato sauce.
No, what are you saying to Chrissy and Lippo?
I hope you get married and you have a baby.
Okay, thank you. Mona, you say hi to Chris and Lippo. Just wave your hand. Yay! And this is the bride. She looks so beautiful. She's finally a missus. I got also 2 chicken schnitzels. Doesn't matter. Everyone's here, guys. Mum's over here. Huh? Ossie, what do you have to say to Lippo and Chrissy?
Congratulations for
Manguia
today. Yeah, manguia le ungari folk. Yeah, koe whaafua kere le mangu.
We're just waiting for our food at the moment. Oh no, guys, we're just waiting for our food at the moment.
Must we make oatmeal?
Daniel thinks he's $1 million. Look how big my burger is.
Can I take a video?
Look at you blame me because look how big you go up the million. He told me.
He just told you. So if anyone asks you,
I'll go take one off him. I'm hungry.
we're like, oh yeah? You think you're so cool?
Oh my gosh, guys, we've got so much food. That's my burger, chicken Kiev, Caesar salad, Parma. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Everyone get in the photo. Get in, it's for Lissy. It doesn't matter. Suck it in, suck it in, suck it in.
Thank you, sir. Yeah. I think we'll come to Kaylin and then we'll go home to my house.
I have no idea where Ossie is.
Hey, but I still want my bag.
I'm going home. I parked downstairs too.
We are going to Kaylin.
Love you.
I feel like I'm missing out. I need to go to Kaylin too, but I live just down the road.
Yeah, you are missing out. We're going to go to Kaylin and celebrate.
Hey, so who's downstairs? Everyone.
Oh my gosh. Oh, yeah, we just finished our dinner, guys. We're heading home now, waiting for Ossie, the newlyweds. Huh? Oh. I need the key then. I missed all the photos. So did you.
Yeah,
You
but I
took
already took a lot
so
of
long.
Yeah, but I didn't take
No,
any
with the
photos.
family.
Yeah, because we had to go look for Eben's sweater.
Well, look what you get.
Fault. I should have been in those photos, but it is what it is, lad. Next time you did it again, I'm gonna smack your bum, yeah?
Good morning, guys. So today we're up early. No farmers market for me, guys. Hold on, I'm just screwing on the monopod. No farmers market for me. And my other sister is getting married to me. It's been a very, very eventful past couple weeks for our family. So I'm going to the hairdressers today. To finally level out my hair. I'm not going to no expensive one because I just don't have the time for that. I'm going to Jess Cuts and I'm just going to level it out and get layers. I may have to tell her that I attempted to cut my own hair because there's a lot of random layers that someone...
I'm the best layer, you know? I cut whatever I feel like to cut, the piece by piece.
You just started talking, you haven't even said good morning to everyone.
Good morning to everybody in the world. This is your boy Georgie over here. We're gonna go to level her hair because I do most of the job, you know, like layer job.
You gotta shut your mouth right now, Aussie. So I just washed it so that it could be easier. And then when I get home, I'm gonna have to like quickly straighten it. And, you know, just something for a little something with my makeup. Just a little something, because it's only lunch.
Today, we present Vato. Mexican today, you know?
Oh, we'll speak Mexican.
Oh,
Oh, does that mean your bum stinks?
your bum hole.
Huh?
Your bum hole stinks.
Guys, can you see what I see? Okay, look, don't judge it yet because I have to still straighten it, but look how short my hair is. I've not been this short in like 10-15 years. I'll get Ossie's review. We're just here at Dobby's waiting for coffee. Ossie, what do you think about my hair?
Yeah, it looks nice. Nice.
Well, that's all I got. Because he did blow dry it, it was still wet when I went. Oh, that's us. I don't know where we're gonna go after this, but we gotta go home and get ready. What are you gonna wear? Ossie's in a mood. Don't worry about him. But I gotta do my makeup when I get home.
No.
Straighten my hair. So I always usually get a chai or a dirty chai if I'm feeling like a bit of caffeine. Ossie gets the mocha or latte. You know what, guys? I just realized I should have done that TikTok. You know, it's like, I'm not going to do it. Or, I did it. Or the other one's like, it just needs a little shaping. I didn't think about it. Bon appetit. Look, guys, I know it's bon appetit, but I just say bon appetit. Just for the lol. Are you auto-focusing your bloody books?
Bon appetit.
Robinson's quiche, Lorraine's. Hey guys, so we are running late, a little late as per usual. Hey guys! It feels so good to have this short length hair, especially going into summer. I don't know why I didn't do it sooner, but it's really cute. It's not too short. I love this length, especially for my big round face. I feel like if I'd gone like here, it would have been another biz. So you're so lucky, Elsie. I'm wearing these earrings. I haven't changed my earrings in like months and months.
Sup?
Sup, baby?
It's getting hot now, that's why.
Oh, it's boiling.
I like the white t-shirt. So yeah, we're going for lunch, so that's it. For the weekends, you know?
I didn't put that much makeup on, guys. I just literally used a bit of concealer, dabbed around a bit. I just don't feel like I needed the foundation. I've got to work with my face. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, so we're here now. Oh, we're just walking in. We see everybody's car here. We're a little bit late, but let's go. Hey, good, thank you. Guys, look.
Just take it for your camera photos, buddy. Okay, Daniel. Look and see
Mom,
what on
Dad.
the thing.
Oh, rua se wai ye den there se. Hi, Dad. Hey, darling.
You look so beautiful.
Oh, girl. No, I'm joking. No, I didn't cut it, but yeah, it's cut. Oh, what do you think?
Yeah, it's sexy.
You look cute too. Oh my gosh, who did your cute? I've been needing them for work.
Hey, they're my
Sitting here.
No,
Huh? Oh, no,
I've
not
got
those ones,
mine.
my other ones.
Oh no, yeah, they might be. No, I've got mine, but I don't know where these are. My one's like.
Did you do your own makeup?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Where'd you get your stuff from?
Sia did it.
Huh?
Sia did it.
Oh, I thought you said, did you do it? I asked you.
Oh
did you-
no. Yeah, I did it, but not me.
Oh, when did
Sia
she
did.
come over?
She did. They all got ready at Helene.
Oh.
Yeah. So nice. I love that yellow.
Dude, I love my hair. So, no. So we got some of the food
Get a high
here.
chair. I'll feed her and
nice
feed
soup.
Leslie.
Hey, darlings. Everyone's looking fine. Where did Molly go?
Oh my god, look at this one I got, but it doesn't have her ring.
Oh, hey, mommy. My mom looks so good. Look at her fit. I love her shoes. And then that's my daddy. Bye. Hers.
Oh, they're mum.
You're good, man.
Mum, you've been shopping.
Let's go.
Hey, Nell, what do you want to say to your Auntie Molly?
Oh, I'd like to congratulate them. Dennis, I've never seen Auntie Molly this happy in her life.
Oh.
With Dennis in her life now, I'd like to thank God for this blessing again, for two of my aunties getting married in the 2 weeks, in the 2 week span. It's really good. It's good to spend time with everyone and spend time with family every weekend. Wish it could happen every weekend. So God bless you, Molly and Dennis.
You wish it could happen every weekend?
Where's your necklace? I told you put your necklaces.
So guys, we're just here at the Hellenic Club. We just finished eating. We're going to head to the lake now. So hopefully everything's all good.